use a general hydroponics pH test solution. So what I'm going to do is put some of the nutrient solution in this test vial, and that's more than enough. Put 3 to 5 drops of this nutrient solution, cover it, and it's on the greener side. It's closer to 7.0, which is too high, so we're going to have to add a bit of our pH down solution to get it within the desired range. This is what I'm using, this Fox Farm brand pH down solution. Hey Bart. Bart. If you found today's video on feeding the plants helpful, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It's very helpful and very much appreciated. And I want to thank you for hanging out in my backyard garden. Update. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. We do appreciate it. It's very helpful to the channel. And we wish you a great day, and thanks for hanging out in my backyard garden.